All right, welcome. In this explainer, we're going to break down the absolute building blocks of any good sentence. Think of this as getting under the hood to see how powerful communication really works.
Yeah, I love this quote. So let's think of ourselves as sentence engineers, right? We're going to assemble this machine piece by piece, because understanding how these parts fit together is the key to making your writing clear and really impactful.
Okay, first up, every sentence needs a star of the show, and that is the subject. It's the who or the what the entire sentence revolves around. The easiest way to find it? Just ask yourself, who or what is this all about?
So, take a look here. In Rhea Sings Beautifully, who's this sentence about? Rhea. She's our subject. And in The Cat is Sleeping, well, that's about the cat. Simple as that. They're the ones doing something or being something.
All right, every good machine needs an engine. And for a sentence, that's the verb. This is what gives the sentence its power, its action, or sometimes it just tells us a state of being, like the word is or seems.
So if we look back at our examples, in Rhea Sings Beautifully, the action is sings. Pretty straightforward. And with our sleepy cat, the verb phrase is sleeping tells us the cat's state. It's what the cat is right now.
Okay, now for some optional parts, the add-ons. This is the object. Not every sentence has one, but when there's an action, the object tells you what's on the receiving end of that action.
For example, Rhea reads a book. What's she reading? The book. That's our object. Or, she kicked the ball. What got kicked? The ball. See how a book and the ball are getting the action from the verb? And for the finishing touches, we've got the complement. And the name is a huge clue here. It completes the meaning. It gives us that extra bit of information about the subject, or as we'll see, sometimes the object. So in she is a teacher, the phrase a teacher tells us more about she. It completes the picture for us. And in they elected him president, what did he become? President. That's the extra info about the object, him. Okay, so let's put it all together in this quick summary. This table is basically your blueprint for a sentence machine. You've got your subject, verb, object, and complement. If you can remember this, you can take apart pretty much any sentence you come across.
All right, enough theory. It's practice time. Let's take this machine for a little test drive and see if you can spot all the parts in action. Ready? Okay, first one. The dog chased the cat. Simple enough. Who's the subject, what's the verb, and what's the object? Think about it for a second.
And the answer is A. Yep, the dog is our subject, the one doing the action. Chased is the action, our verb. And the poor cat is the object, getting chased.
All right, how about this one? She is a brilliant student. Now be careful, look for that complement. What's the part that's completing the meaning here?
That's right, it's A again. A brilliant student is the complement. It's not getting an action, right? It's just describing our subject, she.
Okay, number 3. They built a new house. Can you spot the object in this one? What received the action of built?
Spot on! The answer is C. They is the subject, the ones doing the building, built is the verb, and a new house is the object. It's the thing that got built.
All right, this one's a little trickier. The sky looks beautiful today. Pause and think. Is something receiving an action, or is something just being described?
And the answer is A. This is a great example. Beautiful today isn't getting an action. It's a complement that's describing the subject, the sky. See the difference? It's all about description versus action.
Okay, last one. This is the big one. It has an object and a complement, so look closely. We elected her captain.
Excellent work. The answer is B. We is the subject. Elected is the verb. Now her is the object. She's the one being elected. And captain, that's the complement. It describes what she became. Okay, and here's a little fun tip to take things to the next level. Sometimes a sentence can have 2 objects. Take a look at, she gave him a gift. The gift is the direct object. It's what was directly given. But him is the indirect object. It tells you to whom the gift was given. It's a neat little way to add more detail.
So there you have it. You've got the blueprint, you've got all the parts to the sentence machine. The only question left is, what kind of amazing, powerful sentences are you going to build?